Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming to another super cool product. This is from Nomatic.com. It's the Nomatic 40L travel bag. Now, this might be the most detailed, most well-built, designed backpack that we've ever reviewed. It is so feature rich. It's crazy. In fact, I almost had to go take a class on all the stuff that this bag does. So this is a really innovative bag. It even raised over $3 million on Kickstarter and Indigo. It has over 20 innovative features to it, and it duals as a backpack or a duffel bag carry. And it's got durable, waterproof materials on the outside of it. They claim that it's the most functional travel bag ever. I think I agree with them there. All the different functions in this thing, holy crap. Vacuum bag, carry-on size, backpack and duffel modes, book pocket, laptop and tablet pockets, durable material, easy access pockets on the side, shoe compartment in the bottom, water bottle pocket in the top that's lined so that if it spills or leaks, it's not going to leak into the backpack, valuables pocket, underwear compartment, cord management, sternum strap, RFID, and security pocket, which is pretty cool. If you're traveling internationally, you definitely want that RFID pocket. Roller bag sleeve and laundry bag. It even has a little laundry bag you can take, and it folds out, really brilliantly designed, and you can hang it off a thing in, say, your hotel bathroom, put all your dirty laundry in it, and then put it in the bottom, and it won't, the nice thing I love is it won't mix with your other clean clothes, because no one wants that. It has an innovative strap system that's really cool. The laundry bag's really nice. I love that. The bottle pocket, shoe compartment, socks, underwear area. And then in the flip out, the way they made this flip out was really smart. They made it for TSA. So they made it so if you open the main compartment interior, your laptop and your tablet compartments are right there. Now, this is great because if you got to open your bag for TSA, or if you just need to open it and remove your stuff, you can easily get to it, easily pull it out of the bag for TSA, and everyone's happy. If they want to look in your bag, you can just flop it open. They can have a look-see and everything else. So really brilliant there. Great passport for the RFID bag. Comes with a nice TSA lock as well. And then it's got detachable waist straps. You can take and put these around your thing to kind of just make that that belt sort of function work so much better for you. Fleece lined valuables pocket, comfy handles. It's easy to carry, nice thick carry handle on the top of it. It'll fit on roller bag handles. So on the back there, it'll slide down it and everything else. The carry-on size works at 21 inches times 14 times 9. Notebook pocket, large opening for easy packing, and a sternum strap. This thing is pretty amazing, and they even make some really cool compression packs, cubes, if you will, that we'll be reviewing as well. You can see them here. Anyway, overall, my impression of the bag, it is freaking awesome. Like I said, this may be one of the best bags I've ever seen, well built and so feature rich. It's crazy. So I highly recommend it. Go to Nomatic.com. That's Nomatic.com. Check out the 40L travel bag. You can also see some other really cool gear and bags they have there as well. I highly recommend them. Be sure to check it out, and we'll see you next time.